If you have pain in your knee, hip, or any joint, there's a simple drink that people around the world are using to find relief. But before I show you the recipe, you need to know these 3 important things, or it might not work for you. The first thing that caught my attention is that this drink uses only 4 ingredients. And here's what's surprising. You probably already have all of them sitting in your kitchen right now. But what makes this combination special isn't just what's in it. It's how these 4 ingredients work together in a way that most people don't understand. Let me explain what I discovered about each ingredient and why this specific combination makes such a difference. The first ingredient is turmeric. Now, you might think turmeric is just a cooking spice, but there's something powerful hidden inside it called curcumin. This compound has been studied for its natural anti-inflammatory properties. When inflammation builds up in your joints, it creates that stiffness and discomfort you feel every morning. The second ingredient is lemon. Most people think of lemon as just something that adds flavor, but lemon brings vitamin C and powerful antioxidants to this mixture. These antioxidants help reduce what scientists call oxidative stress in your body. Plus, vitamin C supports your body's natural production of collagen, which is like the cushioning material that keeps your joints moving smoothly. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The third ingredient is black pepper. And this might seem odd at first. Why would you add black pepper to a health drink? Here's the secret that most people miss. And it's absolutely crucial for this to work. Black pepper contains something called piperine. This compound dramatically increases your body's ability to absorb the curcumin from turmeric. Without black pepper, most of the turmeric just passes through your system without doing much good. It's like having a key that doesn't fit the lock. But there's more to black pepper than just helping absorption. It also supports healthy digestion and has its own anti-inflammatory properties. And here's something important that traditional medicine has known for centuries. If you want to reduce inflammation in your body, you need to start with a healthy gut. Black pepper helps with that process. The fourth ingredient might surprise you even more. It's honey. Now, you might wonder why honey is in an anti-inflammatory drink. Raw honey isn't just a sweetener. It contains natural compounds that fight inflammation, and it's packed with antioxidants. But here's the part that really matters. Honey promotes gut health, and a healthy gut is essential for your immune system to work properly. When you combine all 4 of these ingredients, something remarkable happens. They don't just work individually. They support each other. The black pepper helps your body use the turmeric. The lemon provides antioxidants that work alongside the honey. And everything together supports the kind of environment in your body where natural healing can happen. But wait, here's the crucial detail that most people get completely wrong. And this could be why some people try this and don't see results. It's not just about mixing these ingredients together. The timing and method matter more than you might think. This is the second important thing I mentioned at the beginning, and it can make the difference between this working and not working. You need to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Here's why this timing is so important. When your stomach is empty, your body can absorb these compounds much more effectively. If you drink this after eating, the food interferes with absorption. Plus, starting your day with these anti-inflammatory compounds gives them time to work throughout your body before you add other foods to the mix. The water temperature matters too. You want to use warm water, not hot and not cold. Hot water can destroy some of the beneficial compounds in honey. Cold water doesn't help with absorption. Warm water is just right for dissolving everything properly and making it easy for your body to use. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to make this. You'll need 1 glass of warm water. Start by adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you've never used turmeric before, start with just a 1/4 teaspoon and see how your body responds. Some people are more sensitive than others. Next, Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. If you don't have fresh lemons, lime juice works just as well. Then add just a pinch or two of black pepper. You don't need much. Remember, the black pepper is there to help absorption, not to make your drink spicy. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. If you can't find raw honey, regular honey will work. But raw honey has more of those beneficial compounds we talked about. If you prefer not to use honey, you can substitute with a small amount of pure maple syrup or stevia, but honey works best for this recipe. Mix everything together until it's well combined. The turmeric will give your drink a beautiful golden yellow color that almost glows in the light. The aroma is warm and earthy, with hints of citrus cutting through. The taste is earthy and slightly warm from the turmeric, with a hint of pepper and the sweetness from the honey balancing it out. Now, here's what you really want to know. About results. This is the third important thing I needed to tell you, and it's probably the most important of all. Based on what people share about their experiences, some notice improvements within the first week or two. Others take longer. Every person is different, and your body might respond faster or slower than someone else's. The key is consistency. This isn't a magic cure that works overnight. Think of it as supporting your body's natural healing processes over time. Some people drink this daily for several weeks before they notice significant changes. Others feel different within a few days. Be patient with the process. Here's what you can expect in terms of practical details. The ingredients for this drink cost just a few dollars and will last you many days. You can find everything at any grocery store. Turmeric powder is usually in the spice section. Make sure to get good quality turmeric for the best results. The taste takes some getting used to if you've never had turmeric before. It's earthy and has a slightly bitter note, but the honey helps balance that out. Some people actually grow to love the taste. You can make enough for 2 or 3 days at a time if you want. But fresh is always better. One tip that many people find helpful is to drink some additional warm water after finishing this mixture. It helps with hydration and can make the whole experience more pleasant. But here's something crucial you need to know before you try this. There are some important safety considerations. If you're taking any medications, especially blood thinners, you should talk to your doctor first. Turmeric can interact with certain medications. If you have gallstones or bile duct problems, turmeric might not be right for you. If you're allergic to any of these ingredients, obviously don't use this recipe. Start with smaller amounts if you're not sure how your body will react. And remember, this is a natural remedy that people share with each other, not medical advice. This drink works best as part of an overall healthy approach. Getting enough vitamin D, maintaining good gut health, and eating foods that don't increase inflammation all play a role in how you feel. This drink isn't meant to replace proper medical care if you have serious joint problems. And while we're talking about vitamin D, this is crucial for joint health. Many people with joint pain have low vitamin D levels. If you're not getting enough sunlight or your body isn't making vitamin D properly, this drink alone might not give you the results you're looking for. Vitamin D should ideally be between 30 and 100, with 80 being optimal. The beautiful thing about this recipe is its simplicity. 4 ingredients that work together in a way that supports your body's natural ability to handle inflammation. It's something people have been sharing with each other because it's helped them feel better. If you decide to try this, pay attention to how your body responds. Keep track of any changes you notice, whether it's less stiffness in the morning, easier movement, or just feeling better overall. Everyone's experience is different. Remember to be consistent with it. Give your body time to respond. And if you know someone else who deals with joint discomfort, share this information with them. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the ones that make the biggest difference in how we feel every day. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips and remedies. Your support helps me continue sharing these simple solutions that can make a real difference in people's lives. Don't forget to share this video with friends or family members who might benefit from this natural approach to joint discomfort. And if you decide to try this recipe, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Your feedback helps others who are considering giving this a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more natural ways to support your health and well-being.